Start to get cold in Belgium. I think it's around 10 degrees. But for so long as we can do it, we still go magnet fishing. And this is the canal, guys. Good. This is the place where we have found that big ass bomb. So here we go. Whoops. Yo. It's not going to be easy. Check it out. The water has gone down since the last time we came here. I'm so excited, man. So this time we did not put the stabilizers on the boat, and then you think the boat's gonna flip. I'm gonna put my bag right over there. Yeah, it's gonna be stinky, but nothing to do about it. Here we go. Hoppa, here. Hoppa, the shit flies everywhere already. Look, we're floating already to the other side. Okay, that's gonna be 2 meters. It's pretty deep, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. You're lucky. Maybe next year we're gonna look to buy some more pieces, so we can go more deeper. Alright guys, give us the best luck. And here we go. Yep, I think I got something. Here we go, guys. Our first find of the day, and that's gonna be. Yo, I have seen this thing before. You remember? So it looked like people who come over here. So we call all the time that they have to come over to clean it up. But it looks like they just throw it back. So yeah, we're gonna throw it back outside again. Yo, and that's a duck. I thought it was a big fish. So if we just can put it at the side, that's gonna be enough. Make sure we're not gonna hit it. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh. Well, yeah, stay there. Hold on. See, it falls off the magnet.
Straight down.
Oh, hey, yo. Well, it's 3 meters deep. Oh. That's from a bicycle. Alright guys, looks like we cannot find it back anymore. If we're gonna get it back, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Guys, we are under the bridge now. Check it out. It's only this deep over here, but a lot of stones. And we do have a lot of beer caps, some money, beer caps, that's probably 5 euro cent. Oh, what? This is not Belgian money.
No.
5 what?
Kronage. I think it's Russian money.
Russian money.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Russian money.
So that's a nice find. Yo. I'm gonna put it right over here now. And for the rest, beer caps. What the heck is this? The Duvel, that's Belgian beer. Ew. I'm gonna clean the magnet first because it stinks so much.
What the hell is that?
Is that not something to catch rats or animals or something?
Yeah, possible. Yeah, it's possible.
It looks like. You know, that kind of claw that.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
So what are we gonna do with it? Because we just find it between the grass over there. So it could be that somebody have put that kind of thing to catch animals. You wanna see it?
Let's start it up. Stuck.
There you go. So then he's gonna whip all the shit. It also could be something to catch Germans. Back in the past, you never know. Alright. Wow. Okay guys, I think we have to go back where the grass is. There could be grenades inside, some kind of other stuff, because close to this bridge over here we don't find anything anymore. I'm gonna give it a try over here. Hoppa, turn the boat. Here we go. If you haven't seen the previous video, guys, go to check it out. We have found a cannonball from the 16th century. We all want to know what it is. What the heck?
Some kind of spike.
Yeah. You can't get the magnet off, then you can pull it. Oh, you have to watch out for the boat. Alright. Put it in the comments down below what you think what it is. It looks like something weird. maybe just a metal spike or something, no idea. I'm not gonna keep it that long in my hand, otherwise I'm gonna stink. Nah, you can throw it away. That's good for cleaning your shoes. The heck? Yo, hey. What? Look at this. Yo. Oh, you tried to catching fish or something.
That's to loosen all the stuff. Then everything comes free out of the net.
Yeah.
And you can take it out.
Opa! Look like big gas bombs. Yeah, for right now guys, we just find shit. But from the moment we're gonna find something back, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Hey, yo, soon the grass gonna burn. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so loud if it's not under the water.
Yeah, if it's not under the water, it's loud.
Yeah. But I think we better don't do this anymore till we're gonna finish. Oh, soon the cops gonna come here. Oh. Fart bombs.
Yeah, I think the other one
Oh, we have a lot of fun, guys. Oh, you really feel shaking it under the boat, huh?
yeah, you can actually feel
Yeah, the pressure. Well, I'm pretty sure if there's gonna be a fish around, that he's gonna be knocked out from this. It's kind of way to catch fish, huh?
Yeah.
So guys, I think we're gonna go back to the dump place right over there, cause looks like there's nothing in in this water over here. Oh, cops! Oops! Hey yo! Watch out for my boat, eh? Hey! Oh, it's only one?
Yeah, there's a double. Sometimes they explode together.
We're gonna checking out right over here where we have found a lot of stuff before. Is that an ambulance?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Oh no, you don't get it. I thought you were gonna pull something up. Oh.
I have it back.
A heavy bag, yeah. Gold coins or something, or jewelry. Oh, your magnet gets stuck.
Wow, man. It's very freaking heavy.
So, I don't know. Drag hook or something could help.
We get the just eruit er zelfs niet meer uit.
Yeah. Well, but you cannot get it off. Or it gets stuck between something.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Hey, yo. Almost water come inside the boat. Oi! Oh!
I have to pee, eh?
Yeah, well, I cannot
Really
help it.
bad.
Yeah, then we have to get out, but the stick is standing right over there.
Nobody can take this.
No, that's for sure.
Either.
Hold on. Oh. Alright. We got a brush. We got a brush, guys. No. Yo, it's still in a good condition. Check this one. Yeah. Hey, my pricking stick. Uh-oh. Shit! Well, I don't know where it is anymore. Somewhere right over there. Uncontrollable, hè? This boat today. Ja, kant het in, man. Kant hier het, hè? Alright, guys, we still didn't find the pricking stick back. And we just found a knife over here. We're throwing a bomb. You can hear the pipe from the pricking stick. Just make sure that my boat not gonna explode.
In here.
Alright, we're gonna take the knife with, guys. And we're gonna search more forward for the pricking stick. If this gonna be a lost, then the journey gonna end up for today for sure. And probably for the end of the year also. It's kind of mysterious,
So if you know where this location is, don't come searching for it, because we want it back.
Yeah, and probably the next magnet fisher who gonna come here gonna throw one time,
Yeah, and
he's gonna
find,
get he's gonna get my pricking stick.
and he's gonna be very happy
Yeah,
because there's a new magnet,
Yeah.
a new pricking stick.
yeah. Well, we still have a couple hours, and I hope that we gonna find it back. We just found another pocket knife. That's what we think about what it is, and also a scissor over here.
No,
You wanna look at it?
no, I don't want to look at it.
Another one I have it. So here it goes. Maybe the scissors if we can keep. If it's still working. Yeah, it's still working. So that's a keeper. Yeah.
Put it in the box.
Yeah. Clean it a little bit up. This is gonna be the journey to find the pricking stick back. Alright guys, I came back to this place and let's hope that I can find my magnet, the pricking stick back. It's like $180 for the pricking stick and a brand new magnet. So let's hope we can find it. And not came with the boat today. But I have watched it, the footage that we have recorded. So I try to know where we have lost exactly the pricking stick. It was difficult to see it on the small screen of the camera. From so far that I have seen, it should be straight somewhere in the middle of the canal. I'm gonna put my head cam on and let's hope I can find it today. Otherwise, that's gonna be, yeah, another new magnet and another new pricking stick. Nog geen vandaag. Nee. Kan hier al veel uitholen. Well. Check it out, guys. Yeah! We got it back. Yeah, here it is, guys. The pricking stick is back. Oh my god, finally I got it. It took me 1 hour, guys. It's just finding the right spot where the magnet is and hope it's gonna get stuck on each other. And finally, check it out, I got it back. So yeah, I'm so happy I can go home now because it's actually Sunday. Oh my god, I'm done here. So guys, here we go. I'm gonna end up this video here. I'm so glad that I came back on a Sunday to find the stick back. And check it out. This is $180 that I just have found it back. Looks like we're gonna have rain very soon, so I'm not gonna keep me busy with more magnet fishing for today. Probably it's gonna be the last episode for this year also. And yeah, we're gonna upload some other episodes, maybe a metal detecting, also some military bursary that we have done is coming online. So if you don't want to miss it, sub to my channel, put the bell notifications on, and then I'll see you on the next adventure.